That's nice.
Very nice. Station 1.
Mm. Sa paa.
Very fast.
Very fast na. Not very low. Visit ka. Very fast. Come in, come in. In front, back. It's the keychain, right?
Suppose the flag one. But for the back holder.
Afternoon, shuttle moving off. Please remain seated at all times and no eating and drinking on board. Thank you.
Hi, Beth. There is shuttle bus.
Okay, we reach already.
Penguin is here. The penguin is there. Yeah, but we go to the penguin.
You want to go?
We've been there already just now. The Australian.
Yeah, there's the fake bird, the one.
Yeah, we already been there.
Just now you walk from here, man.
Yeah. Why it's so hot?
Inside aircon.
Yeah.
No, the penguin inside all aircon.
Yeah, we're going to
the
the
penguin.
penguin. Huh?
The penguin.
Later. Yeah. We are here now in the penguin. Guys. Was so nice. Nice experience, guys, here in Bird Park Paradise here in Singapore. It's for a long, long time we never come here, guys. Look. Yeah, we're going to the last part of the place, guys. We're going to the Penguin Cove. So, see you next vlog. Bye, guys. Welcome to Penguin Cove. Right here, guys.